Hey, have you tried making your own smoothie? Yes, you can make your own smoothie. Make it so delicious and nutritious and whatever is just. Okay? So we'll start with what you need. What you need are all these. I don't know what these are, but they're all over here. So yeah, this is what we need. And we're gonna need a blender. We have a small blender somewhere. Never mind. Just screw it. I'm just gonna use this. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is you have this. You know what this is? I don't know what this is. This is, what's this? Strawberry. What are you looking at? Strawberries. You're gonna need how many strawberries?
Are you making it or am I?
Okay. So you're gonna need strawberries. Two, just two for now, because I'm just gonna make one glass. 2 strawberries. Take off the greeny thingies, which we call leaves.
Stop, collaborate, and listen.
What?
Before ni may itangtang sa tong bottom sa kay last time si Jem nagamit na ate mga.
I cleaned it already yesterday.
Sa goma.
I cleaned it yesterday.
Ang goma?
I cleaned it yesterday. You know it's wet. Okay. Hey. Back to business. Yeah, you take off the greens off of it. You open the blender. Open the blender. Chuck it inside. You get this greeny things also. Broccolini. It's a small broccoli. Broccolini. If it's a big broccolito. And everything else. So, I want to cut it, but just chuck it in there. Watermelon. Take off the watermelon. Take a good chunk. Oops. Put it in there. And then the cucumber. Okay, I prefer a peeled cucumber because I don't want much of the greens. I just want less of the greens because I'm just gonna take a little out of it. You're not supposed to peel off. I'm gonna peel a bit, just a bit. I don't want the hard fiber, just a bit. Where you can see some greens over there. Shit, there's gonna be a lot of cleaning after this. What else? This greeny things also you put in there. Baby spinach. Baby spinach. Baby spinach. You get the avocado. You touch it. Put it back. We're gonna eat that tomorrow. So you cover it. And then turn it on.
Plug it.
It's not on. There you go. It's not moving. I'm gonna get some ice. Stay there. I was thinking of putting some ice cream on it. Durian ice cream. That's gonna stay weird.
Needs liquid.
So. It's ice. I love being messy. Oh, fuck. Okay. naputol. It's new.
But you're trying to
Ha? Wala ko nila. Here's to the freaking. So that's it. Nothing more. Nothing. No content.